Two monuments, just 12 kilometers apart, yet together, they tell the story of Bulgaria's fight for freedom, its political transformation, and nearly a century of history. Welcome to Shipka and Buzludzha, two of the country's most recognizable landmarks. Rising 1,326 meters above the sea level, the Shipka Monument of Freedom stands on Shipka Peak in the Balkan Mountains. It was inaugurated in 1934 to honor the Bulgarian volunteers and Russian soldiers who fought in the Battles of Shipka Pass during the Russo-Turkish War of 1877-1878. For several days, a much smaller defending force held back repeated the Ottoman attacks. Running low on ammunition, the defenders reportedly threw rocks and even the bodies of fallen soldiers down the slopes to stop the advancing enemy. Their resistance became one of the decisive moments of the war, and it helped pave the way for Bulgaria's liberation after nearly 5 centuries under Ottoman rule. Just a short drive away stands a monument from a completely different era. The Buzludzha Monument, often called Bulgaria's UFO, was completed in 1981 as the house monument of the Bulgarian Communist Party. It served as a ceremonial hall filled with enormous mosaics depicting communist leaders, workers, and historical scenes. After the fall of communism in 1989, the building was abandoned. Years of harsh mountain weather, vandalism, and neglect transformed it into one of Europe's most famous abandoned structures. Despite its condition, Buzludzha remains an extraordinary example of brutalist architecture and attracts photographers, filmmakers, and history enthusiasts from around the world. Today, Shipka and Buzludzha stand side by side, not as rivals but as reminders of two defining chapters in Bulgaria's history. One remembers the nation's struggles for freedom. The other preserves the memory of political systems that shaped the country for decades. Together, they offer a fascinating journey through Bulgaria's past, all within a single mountain landscape.